we'll guide you through how to find CapCut trash. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the Windows Start menu on your computer and type CapCut into the search box. Launch the CapCut application from the search results and wait for the CapCut home screen to load completely before continuing. If prompted, sign into your CapCut account using your preferred login method and allow your account information to finish loading. Review the projects displayed on the home screen so you are familiar with your current project list. Next, look at the navigation panel on the right side of the window and search for a trash or recently deleted option if it is available in your version of CapCut. If you find the trash option, click it to open the list of deleted projects. Wait a few moments while CapCut loads the deleted items stored in the trash. Once the list appears, browse through the available projects to locate the one you want to manage. If your version of CapCut supports previews, click a deleted project to view its details before taking any action. Carefully confirm that you have selected the correct project to avoid restoring or deleting the wrong file. After selecting the desired project, click Restore if you want to recover it and return it to your project library. If you no longer need the project, choose Delete Permanently to remove it completely from your account. When prompted, confirm your selection so CapCut can continue with the requested action. Wait while the application completes the restore or permanent deletion process. Once the process is finished, return to the home screen and review your project list. If you restored a project, verify that it appears in the list and opens correctly when selected. If you permanently deleted the project, confirm that it no longer appears in either the trash or your project library.